Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Luciel Manzano. I'm 42 years of age. I'm single, no kid. I'm Roman Catholic. I'm graduated 2 years course. Took it a computer programming. I have some experience a babysitter and a housekeeping too locally here in the Philippines. My main duty was to take care of the baby, and if the baby was asleep, I proceed to the household chores. I have been working experience abroad. I have been working in Japan for 3 years as a factory worker, and I have been working in Taiwan as a factory worker for 12 years. And I'm sure that mom and sir, if you're gonna hire me and choose me, I'm promise to you that I am flexible at work. I'm work I'm workaholic, hardworking, I'm honest, um, kind, patient, truthful, and I promise that I obey the household rules, and I'm willing to learn and fast learner, and hope you choose me as my servant of your humble family, my dearest employer. Thank you and God bless.